Hello and welcome to another beer review unboxing, and I am going to use this. Oh, well, last week this ran out. Let's see how long this lasts for. It was Halloween this weekend just gone by the time you see this, and I am looking forward to unboxing this, and you've probably already seen the title of the video and seen the picture, but now I'm going to unbox it for the first time. This is Hog Brew. This is going to be a beast of a box set. It cost me $29.99 from Amazon Prime member. This actually looks really good, actually. You've got the embossment there, you've got the cobras and the piranha, and I think that's a jellyfish. It's got some nice information on the back as well about the two guys who started it all. And a quote from Tommy Cooper: "Two fat blokes in a pub, one says to the other, 'You're round,' the other one says, 'So are you fat bastard.'" That's the only swearing we'll have today. I almost don't want to open... Oh, I can go like that. I thought I'd have to cut this open, but I can take that off. So we'll take that off. We'll move this candle because it's just going to run out of steam, isn't it? Like last week. Bloody hell. Got the usual thing on there: recycle, don't drink if you're under 18, that kind of thing. You got... Again, that looks bloody awesome, doesn't it? Just so I'm saying, this is the most expensive pack I've done so far. Next week I'm going to start doing cheaper packs, because there are some really cheap packs out there that are really nice. There you've got Hog Brew, which is like this pig with a monocle. I'm looking forward to this. I've not tried Hog Brew before. The box looks quite... It's a nice box. It's like corrugated cardboard, you know? Bloody hell. I'm in for a treat. Hopefully you're in for a treat. Get the hell out of the way, Pumpkin. We're going to need the whole can for this one. Look at that. Oh. Anyone wants to get me a Christmas present doesn't know what, I'll take another one of these. I bought this one myself, obviously. I think it's important that I buy these myself rather than get them given to me by someone, because then you know it's my money on the line. Got chocolate. Oh my god, that's so nice. And we've got some salted nuts as well, and the glass. And oh no, I got excited then. I took the peanuts out, and I only saw that bit in the middle there, trying to hold it all. I'm so excited about this. I thought that was a coaster for a minute, but it's not. It's just to hold the glass in place. Well, the nuts, if you want to know about the nuts, are they flavoured in any way? They're sealed fresh. I'm probably not going to review those. I'll eat them at some point. I'll get a few of these out, and then I'll review the one I'm probably not looking forward to the most. But these all look really good. They look really good. So first we've got Sting, or as they're now known, or as they used to be known, sorry, the Police. That was a personal joke. Well, not personal joke, music joke. Oh, I'm so excited about this. This is going to be the business. I mean, I thought this looked really cool, but let's got the jellyfish on. That's called Sting, chocolate and salted caramel stout. I may do that one because my wife doesn't like salted caramel stuff, so... I'm going to do a few reviews with her soon. I'm just so excited about this. No offense to Brewdog, no offense to Beavertown, but I'm really excited about these beers and the way they're presented. Trust me, you can dance. Beer. Hey bartender, I got way too much blood in my alcohol system. It's all little things in the... Oh my god, this is really good. Oh, falling out again. There's little quotes in there and stuff. I won't get too into detail about that, but my god. If anyone from Hog Brew's watching and wants to send me another one, or some more stuff, this is how you display a box set. So we got Strike. This is American IPA. I'm the IPA guy. It's got the cans look good as a gift. Like let's take away from not trying the beer as a gift. This is the business, and for 30 quid, this is really good. The last one's got piranhas on it, and it's called Frenzy, and that's a craft lager. Oh my god, I'm going to review all these in time. There's 2 of each in here. Oh my god, this is brilliant. I just want to show you the box. Obviously that went in there as well. Oh my god. I can't see. You're on the front facing camera, so I'm hoping you can see all that. Gonna get the glass out in a minute. That looks quite cool because it looks like... wash out this glass. Oh my god. This is a beast of a set. Oh my god, and we've got the Hog Brew there. Oh, that looks like well, it's not a schooner glass, but it looks like it's going to be 2/3 pint. Hopefully, to fit these beers in. 330ml cans. Just to go over it again, with 4.6% on the chocolate and salted caramel stout, 5.5% on the American IPA, and 4.3% on the Frenzy. I've never been this excited so far about the box sets. I don't know if you can hear me because the microphone's here, but I'm going to go and wash this glass out. We'll review one of these. Oof. It just looks the business. I mean, it came in a box like that. You saw the artwork on the box. As a gift, if you like beer, ask for it for Christmas, by all means. 30 quid, that is a gift. That does what it says on the tin. That was so much better presented than the 2 packs I've done so far. Because this came in another box from Amazon, so it's not like it got sent in this box and this box got scuffed. It is the business. I'm looking forward to trying one of these in a minute, trying the rest in the next few weeks, and if Hog Brew want to send me any more to review, by all means, send them out. This is good. This is how it came to me. I'm excited. Well, I'm going to go and wash out this glass, and then I'll be back. Transitionally smooth as all hell. And I am back, and the camera might not be quite straight because it fell over there. Washed out the Hog Brew glass. There we go again. Hog Brew. I'm looking forward to this one. This is going to be good. What do I want to review? I feel like the chocolate and salted caramel stout should get its own review. Let's go for this. Got to be the IPA, isn't it? Every time. American IPA. Sting. Or Strike even. I'm just so excited. That is just... You know, those beer nuts are going to fall down, but... That is just the business. That is just the business, isn't it? So excited about this. It's got a nice black can, got a nice wrap. It is a... Kind of see where they've sealed it there, but this is great. 5.5%. This is... I'm excited about this. If you like beer, buy this. Oh, it fizzed up a bit. Bloody hell, that does not pour well, does it? Here we go. IPA. There's a very tanned head on that. And it's very dark. It's dark and cloudy. It's not very pale for an IPA, and it's probably one of the darkest beers I've reviewed on this channel so far. I'm going to actually sniff the glass in a minute, because the smell I'm getting from that, I don't know if it's the smell from the box and the packaging, because it smells quite sweet. I smell that now. That smells quite sweet. But, yeah. I'm about to taste the beer. But as it stands, this box, I was expecting it to be good. And I played it up to a few of my friends that watch this channel, like Dan Leach and Joe Marshall. I played it up and said, look, that Beavertown one, which was good last week. But this week, Halloween's gone by. It'll be fireworks night soon, but I'm celebrating early with the beer. And I have to say, this is better than I expected. So it's 5.5%, strong citrus hopped pale ale. I like that. Does not contain snakes. It's not a snake oil, and that's the logo normally. You know, the one you saw in the box in black and white, Hog Brew. It's like pig version of Monopoly Man. But as I say, I'm really excited. Consume responsibly. Thanks. I don't know if it's going to focus on that, but there's a can there. It says consume responsibly. Thanks. No, it won't. It's focusing on me. But as I wait for the head to go down, which has gone down quite quick, I have to say it's quite dark at the moment. Hog Brew there, you can see it slightly. That's a nice, it's wide glass, which it has to be because it's not that tall and it's got a... In fact, I'd be tempted to say that's not quite as big as the schooner glass, but only marginally. And, yeah, I'm digging it. I'm digging it at the moment. Ooh, yeah, dig it. Again, it smells quite sweet. Like, it reminds me, actually, the smell. Oh, up the nose. But the smell reminds me of a beer I've reviewed, but it's not gone up on the channel yet. Strawberries and Cream, which is strawberry and cream pale ale. from Lincoln Green. Giving them a shout out, local brewery. It smells sweet like that, but that's different. It's not like an IPA. Like, it's dark and it's cloudy, and you get cloudy IPAs, but that is ruddy bloody dark. But we'll just say to the pumpkin, get out of Dodge. Can you see that, everyone? Can you see how cool the strike is? But I have to say, that tastes very oaky, almost like a ruby ale, which isn't a bad thing, but if you're expecting an IPA, it's very oaky. Oh, and these are vegan, friendly, and gluten-free, it says on the back of the can. At least Strike is. It's very oaky. Well, that's probably, American IPAs. I've had New England IPAs, which seems to be the norm now. Like double dry hopped, which is DDH, which I found out what that stood for. And New England IPAs seem mostly the norm now. But there's a bit of not much citrusness to that. It's very oaky. If you serve me that, I would not say that is an IPA of any distinction or any kind, but I don't know. New England is in America, but American IPAs might be different. I can't say more than that. It's just the box set is lovely, and I'll show it to you one more time in case you don't want to rewind the video. You know, you've got the cans there, 2 of each. The art style's lovely. I don't know who the artist is, but if anyone from Hog Brew's watching this, especially the 2 main guys who are Jordan and Steve, this is how you make a box. Because the beers can be good, and the beer is good. Although my only complaint is that doesn't taste like an IPA should taste. So if I was expecting an IPA, it might be like that. But I like a ruby beer as well. But I will say, if that's how to make a box set, the presentation was awesome, and you got some peanuts here, which are also vegan friendly. I can't say anything bad about this, and it sounds like I'm really flogging it here, but it was just under 30 quid, and that is a gift. I might ask for one of these for Christmas from someone at this rate. But that's really good, and I can't say enough about that. As far as the beer goes, yay or nay. This is going to be a yay. Thank you for watching. I'm going to put the linked video, which is going to be on your left, is going to be my box set from last week, which is Beavertown. And if you can click the other one and subscribe, if you can tell anyone else who likes beers to watch and subscribe to the channel, I'd appreciate that. Or if they like travel vlogs, me and my wife do travel vlogs. The Halloween one would have just gone up before you've seen this. On Thursday, in 2 days' time, if you're watching this on release day, is Brewdog's Layer Cake I'm reviewing. And at the weekend, I think we're we're carving pumpkins. But I really appreciate you watching, and this, oh my god, this is brilliant. This is the best box set I've reviewed so far. Like, third time lucky. No offense to Brewdog or Beavertown, but because they were slightly cheaper, but 30 quid. You get some roasted and salted peanuts. 2 of each of the 3 types of cans they do. I've not really looked into more of Hog Brew, but I've gone on for long enough. Just like the video and subscribe. Comment below. Have you tried this? Will you try it? What do you think of the box set? I didn't show it off enough. Let's imagine what it looks like when all the cans are in there. Glass went there. The peanuts went there. The only thing it's missing, it would have been nice to get a beer mat with it. Because this art style, whichever artist they've used, and I've not looked it up, which I probably should have done before the review, it's a nice art style. It reminds me of Rock Band 2. They had a lot of art style in the menus like that. Anyway, thanks for watching, and cheers.